Let's take a tour. We are headed to a special event at the GOBEL factory. Special invite. Let's see.
Inside or outside?
Inside for me. I'll just go here. It's fine. I can be here. Get the view for everyone to watch. Let's do this. All right, guys, you guys ready? We are going inside the factory of GOBEL loudspeakers here in Germany. This is a private event, 20th anniversary of the brand. We're going to be hearing their top elite $600,000 speakers. Let's see what this is about. All right, guys. Thank you. Let's have a drink for sure.
For enjoying a great evening together and celebrating the new company headquarter and our 20th anniversary.
Awesome.
And yeah, have a good night, have a good evening, and later I will also tours so we can look around and also the production and to see how it's done, everything. But now, first drink, eat something, and then enjoy the evening.
Yes, let's eat. Cheers. Starving. All right. Let's go find food.
Somebody has to start.
Excuse me. Here, sir. I put my backpack down, guys. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this special content. Jay's Audio Lab. Let's look at the food. Looks amazing. Don't really know what it is, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try it no matter what. Wow, they went all out. No joke. I guess in Germany there is seriousness when it comes to food.
I don't know what any of this is, but I'm gonna eat it.
Amazing. Definitely, we're gonna eat a little bit of everything, guys. Hit that like button if you like this content. More to come as we walk around GOBEL's headquarters, essentially, here in Germany. Okay, guys, let's go inside the room and check out the two rooms he has. This is I can't believe this is a factory. This looks like somebody's house, actually. Massive house. Okay, so check this out right now. This is the chamber where they test the speakers. This is like dead quiet, so y'all better not tell me that you hear brightness in here. Look at this. And I guess this is the one speaker that they are testing at the moment. But it's absolutely awesome to see this. Incredible. So you guys are getting another view of what goes down here at GOBEL loudspeakers, or GOBEL High End in Germany. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Look at this. There you go, folks. And you're getting it here. That's just interesting. How they build this room, I don't know. But, yeah, you know what I wanted to see are the cables. The power cords are super heavy. So, these things are, wow, they weigh a lot. This is like an incredible power cord. At least the construction, I haven't heard it, so I can't speak about the sound. But it just has weight to it. Heft, if you will. My only concern is this type of connector here works just fine, but I can see this being a problem in the US with our standard connectors in our sockets, basically pulling on the outlets or the cable essentially not staying and just kind of hanging like this. So I have to assume that you have to buy a specific connector for the US that has a locking mechanism so that doesn't happen. That's about the only way, but it's actually surprisingly heavy cables. Love to try one of these power cords to see what they do in my system. And here you have the XLRs, which are the same, by the way. The weight, love the feel. They feel really well built, I'll tell you that. Really well built. So let's check out at a high level the factory GOBEL speakers. Again, this is not an official video. That may come at a later date. And I want you guys to see. They let us in the back here so we can take a look at what they got going on. So finished or semi-finished speakers, subs, driver technology, enclosures. We will see if it happens. If I am able to come back to Germany to do a full, thorough factory tour of GOBEL High End loudspeakers. I'm sure there's more I'm not seeing, and I'm not going to assume anything. And these are the cables they have, where they build the cables, as you can see, and drivers. Okay, I don't want to touch anything because this is not formal, as I mentioned to you. This is me being, you know, jumping ahead and sharing with you a few things, so that you have an understanding of what the company does. Huge, these are the woofers, the subwoofers, I'm assuming. Huge magnet assembly there. Got all the caps in here for the different crossovers, one door. So they do use high quality parts in the crossover section. Yeah, we will hopefully come back at a later date, guys, so I can show you more of what goes down. I don't know if this is the only building or there's another attachment to this building where more things take place. But what I do love about this, it's so clean, so neat. It smells like this is like a brand new building. I heard that this is also where he lives, but he lives upstairs. I think like above this or somewhere above there is like his living space, a huge living area. So he's, I guess, very close to his products. That's cool. I thought that was actually cool to know that he goes to work downstairs. That's pretty cool. More to come, guys. Hopefully in the future from this factory in Germany. And I obviously want to bring out more factory tours like this. If you are interested in seeing more factory tours, as I mentioned to you, I will be seeing Boulder next month in Denver. So if you want to see my factory tours, please hit that like button, subscribe, give me that support that I need so that I know you'll want me to keep doing these types of videos. Thank you for the support. And as always, stay tuned, subscribe for more. Appreciate you all. Peace.